Hilton Drive, Newmarket, New Hampshire. Hilton Drive is one of the most coveted neighborhoods in Newmarket. In this house, in this current market, you're not going to find one much more move-in ready and meticulously cared for.
This 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath colonial has a 2-car drive under garage, an awesome private back deck, lower patio area, and the kitchen has been redone and it has gorgeous fantasy brown countertops.
These sellers have the home pre-inspected prior to listing, so all you really need to do is schedule your private showing.